Hi, this side Samir Verma from Alpha Value Consulting. Today I feel good to discuss some important aspects of valuation of mining company. Let's divide this whole discussion into 5 subsections. First one is the business model, second is the risk aspect, third is the cash flow analysis, fourth is the fundamental factor, and fifth is the impact of current pandemic situation. Let's discuss one by one. Mining companies generally have long asset life cycle. At every stage, companies come across diverse challenges which in turn create volatility and uncertainty about sustainable value into the future. These companies generally have 3 types of operating model. One is the own mining, second is the mining developer cum operator model, also known as MDO model, third is the joint venture model. Company specific risk premium using the income approach depends upon the operating model the company is into. There are different kind of risk the companies have to face, like in a financial risk. This alone factor changes the debt to equity ratio of the companies over year and year. Second is the climate change, social license to operate, government approval. These all risks can be taken as a performance metrics for mining companies. In general, asset approach and income approach are considered more appropriate to do valuation of mining companies. That also mean depend upon the stage and business model of operations. Mineral deposit is the single aspect fundamental factor which need to evaluate while doing valuation. Since these companies have long asset life cycle, so considering the two different point of time, there may be a huge gap between the probable reserve and actual reserve. Cash flow of the mining companies are generally based upon the long-term commodity price assumptions. So valuer need to evaluate this commodity price assumption based upon the historical trend. For sanity check purpose, we can use the EV by resource multiple of listing comparable companies. There is an additional cost which mining companies generally have to face, like an environmental remedial work at the end of the project life cycle. That may also mitigate the salvage value of the plant and machinery as well. If we look at the impact of the current scenario which has raised due to the supply chain issues and import and export restriction, this has drastically reduced the operational capacity of the mining company, which should be properly taken care of while doing valuation. Thank you so much.